All of us have accepted a job offer. And in that moment, you are at probably peak excitedness. You've gone through this huge interview process. You've achieved your goal. You're excited to get started. And you are probably on an emotional high. And so for medical excellence, that is a great opportunity to capitalize on. And so we ensure that communication happens with the new hire. Welcome to AstraZeneca. We're excited to have you be part of our team. And even just to say, we know that you're starting August 1st. And we'll be communicating with you in the days leading up to that to make sure that you have everything you need. Such a small thing, so important.
Yeah.
So step one. Then certainly day zero or day one is certainly an important day when we talk about onboarding. But I would say 90% of that's really in HR and IT's realm, where they're making sure they have the equipment that they need. But that 10% where medical excellence can step in is also huge. Again, peak excitedness. You're coming in, it's your first day, you're getting all these fun things. And so being able to make sure that the manager welcomes the new hire, that they hear from a mentor, if that's an important piece of your program, and then also for medical excellence. Again, just to feel welcome and supported.